I first gained interested in this career while being employed on Massage and V-Spa as an assistant manager. It's a popular franchise location that specializes in massage therapy and facial treatments. While being employed here, I realized that it was a field that was passionate about health and wellness rather than just being a luxury. I soon learned over time that it was beneficial to those struggling with mental health disorders, migraines, aches and pains, sleep disorders, herniated discs, and offered lymphatic drainage for those recovering from cancer or that were in remission. They also work hand in hand with chiropractors, and I just realized that I was really passionate about a career that helped with people's overall health and wellness, stress, and allowed them to live better, healthier lives. In order for massage therapists to work, they must acquire not only schooling, but a certain number of hours in order to be certified. California massage therapists are certified by the California Massage Therapy Council, or CAMTC, and within earning this certification, a student must attend a school that is nationally accredited, housed in a community college, or approved by the National Bureau for Private Wholesale Secondary Education, as well as be cited in the Business and Professions Codes. 100 hours are to be dedicated towards education in the following areas: anatomy, physiology, and contraindications, which are the risks that can happen or things that you're not supposed to do that can cause harm to the service in means of ethics or health and hygiene. An exam must be passed in front of the state board, and a high school diploma and GED are the only requirements for a massage therapist. However, some locations that are more credible can accept a bachelor's degree. Two schools that offer this educational program, for instance, are National Holistic Institute in Ontario, California, and the American College of Healthcare. A background check is needed, and as far as tuition can range, it can range anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000. The major categories that translate into barriers to entry for this career are cost, capital, know-how, location, and state power. So small business owners like massage therapists benefit in areas that are underserved or areas that are in dire need of massage therapy and do not have enough of those services for the population that's present. We need to have plenty of differentiation that makes it stand out from competition, and with a good location. So again, that ties in with being in an underserved area. So we want to make sure that we are in a location that's comfortable for us, doesn't require too much gas money spent, and also is in an area that our services are highly needed. Currently within the state of California, and particularly within the Inland Empire, only 3.6% of the population is employed in self-care or services rendered towards self-care. Hourly wage for a massage therapist is about $13.11 an hour, making way for a salary from anywhere from $50,000 to $65,000, and the average salary being $56,000 a year. Tips from my experience can impact income tremendously, being that a lot of clients are return clients if you gain good clientele, so that can also change your salary as well. Despite this occupation has a negative percent difference, which means that it's below the national mean wage, which is $17.49. Within 2018, the industry experienced equal job losses and job gains. However, within the quarter, more establishments opened, allowing for more job opportunities. However, the only barrier, again, for massage therapists is clientele. As far as my personal qualifications go, I am on my path to earning a bachelor's degree in kinesiology at California Baptist University, which surpasses the expectation or requirement for a massage therapist, which is only a high school diploma or GED. I have also had 3 years working in the hospitality industry. So with that experience, I have gained knowledge of not only massage techniques, but contraindications, which are something that's taught in school through certification. And it's for the safety of the client and the massage therapist in order to avoid dangers and risks or hazards. I also know the requirements for building clientele, handling booking, as well as handling all of the equipment needed to perform a service, and I have been thoroughly trained in those services as well. I feel like I should be chosen for this job because I'm a very selfless person, and I've had a lot of experience in the customer service industry, and within this customer service experience, I've learned to serve other people, and I feel like in massage therapy that is one of the prime aspects of massage therapy is to serve the client. With my athletic background, as well as my experience in being a tennis instructor as one of my side jobs, I also want to pass healthy habits on to my customers to allow them to live better lifestyles. And I also feel, as just an employee in general and in my experiences, I could take direction well. I am hardworking. And I feel like because I'm very personable, it will allow me to make a client comfortable in private instances and allow them to trust me as their therapist. As for areas that I can make improvement for in terms of marketing is just to get more exposure. I can't solely rely on my education to allow me to build the clientele, even though that makes me more qualified than the average therapist. Throughout this self-exposure that I can undergo, it would involve reaching out to people in health-driven environments like the gym or fitness classes, all those people that are wanting to be healthy and that just don't know how. Also reaching out to medical clinics or chiropractic facilities that allow me to work hand in hand with them, and just looking for people who are looking for more relief. And just to attend webinars or seminars just to grow my knowledge, and also become more active on social networks to build my brand and to build my clientele. There are a few professional organizations to name that help assist massage therapists or aspiring massage therapists in their secondary education, protecting them with liability insurance, as well as preparing them through marketing and connecting as networking all across America. These associations are the American Massage Therapy Association, which has celebrated their 75th anniversary and has become the largest nonprofit organization assisting massage therapists, massage therapy schools, as well as massage therapy students. Another one is the Associated Body and Massage Therapy Professionals, or ABMP. It's a national membership association that is run by the belief in going above and beyond for liability insurance, as well as the Alliance for Massage Therapy Education, which provides a comprehensive range of services to the community of massage therapy. These memberships that you can gain access through these organizations allow you to have access to liability insurance, continuing education, career guidance, which comes with webinars and seminars, marketing material, a marketing team, as well as discounted products in order to start your career. And here are a few of my resources that I use to gain my information throughout the course of this class and the final project.